How to moisturize and restore your old Chanel purses to make it look shining and neat. Today is a spa day for my Chanel top handle vintage 24 karat CC purse. Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be cleaning and conditioning my Chanel bag. It's my first time of doing this, so let's see if the conditioning will restore the wrinkles on my bag. This purse is over 30-year-old and is still in good condition. I'm using the Coach leather cleaner and the moisturizer, and it came with the buffer. Will this Coach product do the magic? Let's find out. This is a lambskin material. It's in pretty good condition for its age. This is my first time of treating my bag at home. To prevent any scratches from your purse, you want to remove your ring, because this is lambskin and lambskin are delicate leather. I'm trying to empty the purse. My pen, lip balm. First, I have to dust it for any dust before applying the products. After cleaning, we start with the leather cleaner. So this I got it from Coach, and I'm going to use this to clean the surface of the purse and see the after look. The guy said clean in circular motion, the essay at Coach shop, so I'm trying to follow the instructions. The advice to clean it circular motion. Hopefully I will do it well. And if you know of any other leather cleaning product that is very effective, let me know in the comment section. Clean up, you had fun today. Now it's time to clean up and put everything away. Yay, clean up. Oh, I'm just thinking of my kids cleaning this. Excuse my bad voice. The purse is not so dirty. See? Probably because I always wipe my purse with wipes. Maybe that's why I did not have so much dirt. Okay, done. I'll just let it dry a bit and then come back to use the leather moisturizer to see the difference, because as it is now, I don't see any difference, to be honest. So this is all done. The next thing is to add the leather moisturizer. This is the leather moisturizer by Coach. It's written apply evenly with a clean soft cloth using circular stroke. Wipe off residue and buff gently to produce a natural luster. I have turned the cloth to the other side. If you have not seen my Dubai shopping vlog where I visited Coach, the video will be left at the pinned comment. Also, with how to go out alone to attract a high-value millionaire man to marry, the playlist will also be left at the pinned comments. I want to use a generous amount, but I have to go in slowly to avoid any incidents or accidents. I don't know. Are you team vintage or team modern? I love my vintage Chanel purses. Ladies, have you liked the video? If not, please give it a thumbs up and share. If there's no crack, it's not vintage. This is part of the aging. Nice. It's more shinier, but I haven't seen any difference. Let's put some more. She is elegant and so pretty. My new job description. Nancy is now a Chanel spa lady. If you have any purses you want to take to this spa, bring it to Nancy. I will shine it. I'm not a bag shiner. The merchandiser, it told me I can use it in any leather aside from suede. So let's different. No, I can't see any different, but anyways, let's keep on going. The only thing I've noticed, it feels a bit more softer and relaxed. You know that buttery sensation? Walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it. Take some more condition. No stingy. It's mine. Is a way to maintain your purses. Is it walk it? Let me walk it. About my end and baby, let me search it. Miss Elliot. It's a busy day for me today. I hope this effort worth it. Cleaning the hardware. This bag is special because it has a 24K gold hardware, and Chanel no longer produce the 24K hardware anymore. It's still in very good condition. So after cleaning, the purse is not as dirty as I expected. This was the other side where I used with the leather cleaner, and this was the side for the conditioner, and this is the after result. Do I see any big difference? No, I did not see any huge difference. But to care for the purse, it's always good to moisturize it. See here, I was expecting this to be relaxed, but I didn't see anything. Let me know in the comment section if you feel I did not do it rightly, that's why I did not see result, or you are on the same page with me, or you disagree that it looks much better, the after look, than this is it. The after. It's a stunning purse, but to be honest, if I want to be fair, the only thing I noticed, it feels creamier. Is it creamier? It feels buttier and softer. I don't know, maybe it's me, but I didn't see any difference. Let me know also in the comment section if there are other products that can help me relax this squeeze. You know, when you open the bag, there's a squeeze here, especially behind. You see this place? It's because it's a top handle, so when you want to open the purse, the stress always comes from here. It's always from behind. Okay, thank you ladies for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. I'm just using the moisturizer to clean my pattern leather wallet on chain. I just felt okay, since I have some amount of it soaked here, instead of wasting it, why don't I use the moisturizer to clean this, to wipe it. I honestly don't know if it's a good idea to use it for pattern leather, but this guy, I asked him, he said yes. It's glossy. The side of this wallet on chain is calf leather. It's one of my most used purse. Okay.